Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your Netflix password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your Netflix password, you just simply have to open your Netflix application into your device, and then after opening the Netflix application, just simply choose your Netflix profile at first. And after opening your Netflix profile, you will see this type of interface. Now into here, choose My Netflix option at the bottom right corner, and from there you will get the option of these three bars. Just simply tap into that three bars and then go to Account section. After going into the Account section of your Netflix, you will see the option of Change Password into here. Just simply tap into the Change Password option in order to change your Netflix password. After going into the change password section, first of all you have to enter your current password, and after entering the current password, choose a new password between 6 to 60 characters and re-enter the same password at the third row. And then click to save button and your password will be changed successfully. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your password on Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.